S.K. Sharma, who is a renowned surgeon around the world, has over 40 years of experience in the field of urology, and who headed the Department of Urology in one of the most premier medical institutes in India, that is Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Chandigarh. So how does a patient with carcinoma of the prostate present? What are generally the signs and symptoms?
The early carcinoma of the prostate, the symptoms of benign and malignant prostate are almost identical. That is, increased frequency of urination, poor flow, incomplete evacuation, or urgent incontinence. So that is when the patient is having benign enlargement or is early carcinoma of the prostate. But if the carcinoma of the prostate is advanced, then it might have metastasis. And carcinoma of the prostate has got predilection for bone metastasis. So there could be paralysis, there could be compression of the cord, there could be even hematuria or distant metastasis in the liver, lungs, brain.
So, how is the diagnosis of carcinoma of the prostate made, and what is the gold standard for diagnosis?
The first and foremost is the examination of the patient. The patient is examined as a whole, and more specifically the digital rectal examination. If the prostate feels irregular, hard, nodular, asymmetrical, then that possibly goes more in favor of being a carcinoma of the prostate. Then ultrasound of the abdomen is done, the blood tests are done, the PSA, the prostate specific antigen, is one of the confirmatory diagnoses of the carcinoma of prostate. The normal level of the PSA is up to 4 nanograms per milliliter. If the level is more than 4, then there is a suspicion that it could be a case of carcinoma of prostate. But the PSA, is also raised in certain other conditions, like if there is associated urinary tract infection can also raise the PSA. If there is a hemorrhage in the prostate, infarction of the prostate, that also raises the PSA. So if the PSA is raised and urine infection is not there, on ultrasound the prostate feels almost normal, then there is a strong suspicion that the patient could be having a carcinoma of the prostate. For confirming the diagnosis of carcinoma, one has to do prostate biopsy. So prostate biopsy can be done transrectally, or it can be done through a transrectal ultrasound guided biopsy. The biopsy, we do multiple cores from both lobes of the prostate. We take about 12 cores, 6 from each side, 6 from the other side, because prostate is a bilobal organ. Then the tissue is submitted for histopathological examination, and the interpretations are that there's a Gleason grading. If there's a Gleason grade 2 to 4, then it is a well differentiated carcinoma. If the Gleason grading is 5 to 6, then it's a moderately differentiated carcinoma. If the Gleason grade is 7 to 10, then this is a highly malignant or poorly differentiated carcinoma. The treatment of the carcinoma